Hi everyone, let's look at how we could use various units to estimate measurements. Let's think about some standard references that we could use for the lengths within the metric system. A millimeter is about the thickness of a credit card. It's also about the thickness of your fingernail. A centimeter is 10 millimeters. It's about the length of the portion that is metal on a pencil. A ruler would be about 30 centimeters. A single centimeter could also be compared to the width of your finger, for instance. A meter is 100 centimeters. It's about the height from the floor to a doorknob. We also can think about this if you spread your arms straight out. One of your arms would be about a meter as well. A kilometer is 1,000 meters. Most roads are at least a kilometer in length. We can use similar points of reference for the lengths within the imperial system. An inch would be about the distance of the last joint of your finger. A foot is 12 inches. It's also the length of a ruler. A yard is the same as 3 feet. From the floor to a doorknob is about a yard. So a yard is pretty close to a meter. A mile is 5,280 feet. Most roads are at least a mile long. When we estimate capacity using the metric system, we will compare things as either milliliters or liters. A milliliter is equal to about 20 drops of water, so it's a pretty small amount. A liter is made up of 1,000 milliliters. Liters are used to measure things like the amount of soda that comes in a bottle. Usually soda bottles come in either 1 or 2 liter containers. Now you're going to have a chance to see if you can figure out which unit of measure would be most appropriate to measure various items.